We're talking about the 6 key habits of health. Number 4 is nutrition. Why is nutrition number 4? Nutrition's obviously a very important part of our health. We have an obesity and diabetes epidemic occurring among our population. Even our children are being diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. Our dysfunctional relationship with food is taking our health from us and also taking it from our children before they even have a choice in the matter. It would seem that nutrition would be the top of the list when it came to our habits of health. Nutrition is a foundational habit of health. However, after years of treating patients with weight loss protocols to reverse chronic diseases, I've realized that changing your approach to nutrition involves changing your mindset. In our time, it is very challenging to make the best nutritional choices to support our health. We are a food culture. Everywhere you look, you are being tempted with food. Look at all the advertisements we encounter about food. It is everywhere. Try fasting for one day and see how many places we have to eat and how much food is marketed to you. It has not always been this way. Food has always been important to us, and we've always felt pleasure when we have the opportunity to satiate our hunger or celebrate a feast with friends. However, never has food been so cheap, convenient, easy to consume in such large portions, and purposely addictive. We have fundamentally changed our food, and we are paying for it. We are paying for it with our health and our energy. Food has been purposely engineered to be addictive. The texture of food has been changed so we can eat so much more of it so quickly. We have been told we should never miss a meal, and that snacking is a healthy habit. At one point, we were encouraged to have a bedtime snack, which has now been proven to increase obesity and diabetes risk. We have been fooled by those who want to sell us a lot of food, and I mean a lot. It worked. We ate it up. We became habituated to eating all of the time and eating calorie-dense, minimally nutritious foods that leave us unsatisfied and still hungry for more food. The core ingredients of processed foods, corn and wheat, have been subsidized by our government, making them the cheapest thing in the grocery store. We were told to stop eating natural butter and oils and encouraged to eat fake manufactured margarine full of fats that have now been proven to cause diseases and are banned in many countries. We rightly vilify Joe Camel for marketing cigarettes to our children, but what about the myriad cartoon characters selling our children addictive sugar on colorful boxes and stating that that is part of a healthy breakfast? Is any breakfast healthy that has high fructose corn syrup, processed grains, preservatives, and artificial dyes? We started addicting our children to sugar before they even knew what food was for. It's time for us to change this together. That's why nutrition is number 4 on our list. To adopt an approach to eating that helps maintain a healthy weight and prevent diseases will be challenging. It shouldn't, but it will be. This is why we started with desire and your mindset of health. You have to really, really want this. Once you want it, you have to develop the skill of willpower. It will take enormous willpower to eat consistently healthy given the time we live in. This is why we moved from willpower into stress mastery. Being overstressed leads to overeating and also craving addictive foods. You have to be in control of your stress responses so you can choose foods consistent with your highest desires. While nutrition is our 4th habit, it's the habit that we will provide the most information about. The reason is it's actually the most important habit. However, in order to be successful, you have to adopt the right mindset. Food is so much more than fuel. It is our sustenance. It is cultural. It's celebratory. It is interwoven into our life in a sacred manner. We cannot reduce food to simply being fuel. We have to have a healthy relationship with food and respect for what it is. We will teach you about the importance of food. We will teach you about the nutrients food contains. We will teach you about the different types of foods. We will ask you to better understand what food means to you, what it could be to you and to your health. We will teach you about the history of food and our own country's food policies and how food is manufactured so you better understand how to make the right choices. We will teach you about the role of food manufacturers in shaping our actual food policies so you can become better educated about what's truly healthy. We will teach you about your energy balance, which determines your weight and your energy for life. We will teach you how to understand your energy balance and teach you how to become your own nutritionist. We will teach you how to read labels and how to shop for the right foods. We will teach you how to understand what foods are actually healthy and which ones are not. We will teach you about hunger and how to not be controlled by it. You'll learn how to master your hunger and no longer be afraid of the feeling of hunger. There is no one best diet for everybody, but there is a best diet for you. We will help you find it. It will be a diet you enjoy. You will enjoy food and be satisfied. We will help you find an approach to nutrition that supports your energy balance and your health and is sustainable for you. It does not matter your preferences. We can find a healthy nutritional approach for you. Low carb, high carb, paleo, ketogenic, plant-based, or traditional. We can help you find the best diet for you. We can teach you how to adapt and thrive using time-tested fasting protocols that will improve your metabolism and reverse obesity and diabetes. You will never have to read another diet book again. You can if you like to, but otherwise we will be reading it for you. We will tell you which dietary theories have evidence that they can work for you and which are just fads that will fail to produce the results you need. We will summarize for you the emerging medical evidence about obesity, metabolism, weight gain, and nutrition. We will only present to you strategies proven to work by high-quality medical studies. You will know you are being presented the truth about nutrition. We will help you understand the influence of nutrition on specific diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, cancer, dementia, and many others. We will help you understand what supplements may be helpful and which ones to avoid. We will help you understand what weight loss medicines and supplements can do for you and what they cannot. This will be your one-stop shopping to understand how to adopt a nutrition program to support your best health. The Health Shepherds community will join you on this quest. You will learn from others what works and what does not. You will learn from others about how to afford healthy foods for you and your family. You will learn from others how to prepare tasty and delicious, healthy foods. Our community will be a beacon of truth about nutrition so we can change the health of our communities. We look forward to exploring the wonders of nutrition with you at Health Shepherds.